So guys, if you are coming to Palolem, I would suggest this is a good parking spot, because towards that end, which is the beach, you all will not get parking. तो मेरे को लगता है यहाँ पे आके पे parking आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा 300 रुपए में, but it is really expensive. It's a good pay parking area. Otherwise, if you all want to park, that is actually entirely full. So guys, this is another parking spot which is right near the beach. ये तो जगह एकदम full हो जाता है. And this is the Palolem Beach Resort. तो यहाँ पे stay भी होता है यहाँ पे, but this is your parking area basically, which is always full. So I would recommend parking, which I showed you all earlier. But then this is right on the beach, guys. So stay tuned and I'll show you what's on the beach. So guys, I'm right at the beach right now, and you can see it's a nice sunny morning. And it's so nice and peaceful in Palolem, and you can see so many boats here. They go for boat tours like the dolphin tours and all early morning. And I'm heading, what is this, south, north? Okay, I'm heading this side. Okay, when you come to the beach, so you just head to the left side. So I'm just going to take a nice walk there. As you can see, these are all the shacks. Okay, and you all can come and have your morning breakfast. And let's see what is happening right down at the beach. And my wife is also enjoying. So yeah guys, so do like and subscribe. Not many tourists this side, but it is a most peaceful beach that I really like in South Goa. You'll not see much crowd, but you'll see good crowd. All these are for kayaking. I would recommend kayaking in the mornings when you get up like 7:30 and all. The sea is much peaceful compared to Agonda, which I'll show you in my next video. That stretch, that side is also for another boating, which I'll show you all in some time. But this is the whole beach, so I'll just walk right up till there and show you all what's happening. Those rooms and all during the season time, which is facing the beach, exactly. So these would cost around maybe anything between 5 to 10 grand a night during the season time. I know it's pretty expensive, guys, but yeah, but that's what it is. But the only reason why it is expensive, because this is what you get to see, the view, which is crazy. So yeah, and then they have pretty much a lot of shacks just next to each other. And yeah, and if you can see, there's a good crowd having fun at the beach. Alright guys, so this is Cafe Silver Star. It is very famous. I've been here like so many times. I mean, during the evening this whole place will be lit up, but I'm here in the morning around 10:30, 11, which is the most peaceful time in the morning. You can come, have a nice swim and all that stuff, and you can see everyone is actually enjoying themselves. So it's pretty chilled out and relaxed. Guys, Palolem is one of the most beautiful beaches in Goa. White sands, boating, kayaking, there's everything for everyone. It's really awesome. And you can see there's a lot of foreigners also that are come to the beach as well. So cool here. I just love the beach. I mean, I drove down today all the way from North Goa, from my home early morning, so I can show you all Palolem. And there's another place called Tapas Indian. You can come and have a nice breakfast here in this area. And you can see there are foreigners as well, just getting a nice suntan, you know, at the beach. You can see it is so peaceful. Unlike Baga, Kalangut, this place is like literally peaceful. Like you can have all the good time, and the beautiful trees surrounding this area. It's just crazy. You can see, right? So let's just go for a walk. at the beach, and you can see not a lot of foreigners, I would say. Of course, it has impacted Goa in terms of tourism, definitely, but as you can see that everyone's first preference in India is Goa for sure, and my preference for sure is Goa too. So if you again love Goa, do give a like and a thumbs up, and if you all are in Goa as well, please come to Palolem, guys. It's a must visit, especially in the mornings and during New Year time. This place will be lit up and it'll be great, guys. Again, I'm gonna head right till that very end so you can see what's happening. As you can see, the water is so nice and peaceful. You can go for a nice swim and all that stuff. But yeah, beach beds and all, not many come out in the morning, but people who like to do some suntan and all would surely come out in the mornings and have a good time. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And you can see a lot of shacks in that area also. That is also all happening right now. So heading there. And again, guys, for those who are watching my videos and supporting me for my channel, it's really growing, and I'm really thankful and grateful to everyone. So I really appreciate everyone's you know, love and support for my channel, that you all are really watching my videos and all. So thank you so much, guys. I remember when I used to come long back. I don't know if they have it now. No, you all can comment in the comment section below if they still have those silent parties, because I know they do have silent parties, guys. So these headphones that they put in their ears and all, and the party is happening full on, but only you can hear and dance to the music. So that is pretty much the silent parties that they have in Palolem. Yeah, now if you can see, there are a lot of shacks in this zone, in this whole area, right? And you can just chill out these beach beds. They're so cool. Yeah, these are all the kayaks and everything. And again, a lot of these things are newly built. You'll have these at the range of again 5 to 10,000 bucks a night during the season time, only because of this view here. But otherwise, during the off seasons, it'll definitely be much cheaper. I would recommend anyone coming down to Palolem can come anytime between Jan to April. It's a good time, and it's pretty much good here. And you see this whole thing. So guys, as you can see, yeah, I had to walk a little bit, so there is pretty much some construction going on here. But again, as you can see, more shacks, more restaurants, more stays, beachfront stays, more kayaking, more beach beds, and more of the sea. It's just beautiful, guys. And you can see all of this stuff. Some of them just getting prepped for the New Year and the Christmas. Christmas is done for, but the New Year, yes. And this is just so beautiful right now. People are kayaking in that area, and if you see, it's not rough. Those guys there, they're going for dolphin sightseeing and all, which I always recommend in the mornings around 7 o'clock is the best time that you can do your kayaking and sightseeing for dolphins, etc. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's head in and see what's going on. Where you can see lifeguards just in case. But yeah, it's pretty much it. Of course, a lot of things that are kind of empty and all, but nevertheless, so this is another famous place, Coco's, and I think these are all new cabanas that they have just built up. They may be expensive, guys, but I've put few of these places in the link in the description below, so you all can kind of see these places and all. That place, Royal Touch, is packed with tourists right now, apart from any places that I've seen. So yeah, and it's probably the end here. I'm come right till the end, and you can see people are chilling, enjoying themselves as well. There's massage centers, and people are really enjoying and having a good time. And you can see it's so nice and peaceful and everything. You can see foreigners are chilling. This place is also perfect, guys. People are sleeping also. They're getting suntan. I'm getting sunburnt. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But I am going to show you what's right in that corner in some time. I'll just finish this very end first, so you all can see all these shacks. And of course, it's so beautiful and so good here. I just love Palolem, guys. If you do love South Goa and Palolem, give me a thumbs up. Do like and subscribe to the channel, video and everything. So if you can see, it's pretty peaceful here. Coco Cabana is another place, very famous place, guys. I'll put a few of these shacks in the description below, where you can actually see all these places. And if you all do like it on Google, you can always book in advance. But yeah, this is pretty much it. And I'll show you what's happening that side now in just some time. So stay tuned, guys, till the end of the video. Alright, take care. So guys, again, this is the main entrance. This is where we were, this whole stretch right till the end, which I walked, so definitely do subscribe and like the video. Now I'm going this side right till the end to show you what's happening. So right now everyone is still going for those boat tours, if you can see. And this is what the scene looks like right now. Again, it's really hot, guys. If you're coming, wear something very light and your caps and everything. Stay hydrated, carry your water bottle and everything, guys, if you're going for boat tours. It's quite a long journey, around an hour. But yeah, this is what the vibes are this side. If you see, more of the Indian crowd, right? That side there was not so many people, but if you see this side to your right, yeah, more of the Indian crowd and everything. But as I said, you know, it's not overcrowded, it's nice, it's peaceful, it's by the sea. You still have your cabanas and shacks right at this edge. Again, limited. You have that side quite a lot of options. This side you do have options as well. So yeah. And of course, if you can see everyone there, they're wearing the life jackets and going. I would recommend to wear your life jackets, guys, you know, so there was an incident that happened in Kalangut, guys. If you Google and see the boat incident, so please ensure that you're wearing your jackets and everything, and that you all are safe. First is safety. But this is what you can see, guys, the boat tours. And yeah, and then these are the rooms again that you can find on top, and people are just heading into the ocean for a nice swim. Again, a very beautiful stretch, guys. People kayaking, clicking pictures. I mean, this is again all towards the New Year's end, and there will be more people coming in, of course. In the evening you'll see a different vibe. In the morning there's a different vibe. I mean, if you can see this side, in that area, there are quite a few people actually having a nice dip. So let's check it out. It's a beautiful vibe, guys. A lot of foreign tourists here as well. Sorry? Oh, sorry. Okay. So if you can see a little peaceful side of Palolem. And these are all the beach beds. We have people working out and having a good tan in the sun. You can see a lot of cabanas in this area. Also, you can come down and chill the area, guys. And this is probably the end. This is like the end of Palolem, right at the end. I remember that side, they used to have some kind of boating in the lake, which I did many years ago. I don't know if they have that now, but guys, if you all know that there is boating and all that stuff, you all can always come down and, you know, explore that side of the area. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, again, guys, signing off from Palolem. This is what I could have shown you all the best of today. So do like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for all upcoming videos. I'm going to show you what's happening in Baga, Kalangut, Anjuna. I'm going to go to the flea market at Anjuna as well. So there's so much happening, so many videos coming up. So guys, please stay tuned till the very end of the video, all the videos, and give me a like and a thumbs up, and do like and subscribe, guys. Signing off.